Hi, Padraig here, McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 2021 Toyota CHR. This is the hybrid sport model, finished in a grey metallic paint. It's got low road tax, NCT up until 2027, full Toyota service history, and was sold a 12 months warranty and roadside assistance. Now we'll check the features the car has to offer. It's got front fog lights as standard, daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, 17-inch diamond cut multi-spoke alloys. It's got rear tinted glass, chrome pack fitted, spotless bodywork. It's got a large spacious boot with fold down seats for additional space. It's got the ISO fix for the car seats on both sides and the rear. Scuff plates all around. It's finished in a navy and grey cloth interior. Centre armrest also. Electric windows and mirrors. Automatic headlights. Keyless start. Touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It's got the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Got the reversing camera. Heated front seats, air conditioner with dual climate control, USB port, automatic handbrake with the hill start assist, automatic gearbox, the car SOS function for emergencies, and 103,229 kilometres in the clock. Here at McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options on this Toyota CHR to suit your needs. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie, where you can view this car. You can also book a test drive. Thanks for watching.